Hello friends, welcome to CNS Viewpoint. Today we are going to talk about that in India there are 6 vaccines that have been approved by the government of India, but only 3 are being used in the vaccination program. And and we have just crossed 100 crore or a billion dose administration of the vaccine, that milestone on 21 October 2021 after 278 days. So we took 278 days to administer a billion doses. We still have to administer 1.22 billion doses if we have to vaccinate everyone fully who is eligible, which means everyone above 12 years of age as per Government of India's policy. But if you look at the vaccines which have been used so far, there are only 3 vaccines out of 6. So Government of India has approved 6, but only 3 have been used in the immunization program, COVID vaccination program. And those 3 out of 6 which have been used are Covishield, which is made by Serum Institute of India, and the research was done by Oxford AstraZeneca, based in UK, and then the second vaccine is Bharat Biotech's and Government of India's Covaxin, and the third is the Sputnik, which is a Russian vaccine. So if you look at the figures, almost 9 out of 10 doses were of Covishield, 1 out of 10 was Covaxin, and Sputnik was barely given. Very, very few doses were given. So this is not acceptable, because we have approved 6 vaccines since months. All 6 should have been in the process or being made to the full of capacity, introduced to the full of capacity in the immunization program. Actually, our aspiration is to even give vaccines in Maitri program or Government of India to needy countries, to export vaccines, to give it to WHO COVAX facility, etc. So what we also have to produce enough vaccines, just like Covishield is being produced by Serum. I hope their capacity will even go further up, but Covaxin has to boost its capacity, Sputnik has to boost up capacity, and 3 vaccines where the production has, or whatever, but the introduction, they have not been introduced at all, despite all the approvals are in place. Those 3 need to be accelerated. What are the problems? So those 3 are Moderna, which is a US-based vaccine made by US-based groups, and will be introduced in India via Cipla, if I am correct. The second vaccine is the Johnson & Johnson Janssen vaccine, which is a single-dose vaccine, that will be in India. It will be made available through Biological E, and another third vaccine, which has been approved but not yet being introduced in the vaccination program, is ZyCoV-D. ZyCoV-D is made by Zydus Cadila with Government of India, and it is the first vaccine in the world which is based on the plasmid DNA platform. So this is really credible that we have 6 vaccines which have been approved by the Government of India, but this is not an acceptable situation that despite months have passed by, we only have 3 vaccines which are out of 6 which are actually being given or rolled out or administered in the vaccination program of the Government of India. And even in those 3 which are being administered, only 1 is actually taking the biggest load, which is Covishield, which is great. But point is that other vaccines also need to come up, boost up, because we have an ambition that we took 278 days to administer a billion doses, but we have an ambition to administer 1.22 billion doses in next 70 days, so that by end of this year, everyone who is eligible is fully vaccinated. Second, we also have an ambition to export these vaccines, to give it to WHO COVAX facility, to give under Government of India's Maitri program to needy countries, etc. And booster dose is also being discussed in some countries. It has already, rich countries, it is already being introduced in the program, and people are being administered a booster dose, a third dose. So and the science needs to be clear, who needs the booster dose first and at what point of time, etc., etc., it has to be given. So we will need more vaccines, and at least those which have been approved by the government, there are 6 vaccines, they should be made fully available, fully produced to full to capacity should be scaled up and also introduced in the program. As well as we have to consider other WHO approved vaccines which are not yet approved in the country, like Pfizer, for instance. And that should be also be made available, if not in the government public program, then at least in the private sector. What is the harm if it is WHO approved and all credible and everything? So we have to expand our options so that we are able to meet these targets. We have to do it innovatively so that we are able to reach 1.22 billion more doses, additional doses administered in next 70 days. Time is really running out, because we all hope that herd immunity will kick in when most of the world is fully vaccinated within a very specific period of time. WHO aims by next June 2022, and all those who are fully vaccinated will have significantly less risk of developing serious outcomes or dying of COVID-19 if they get infected with coronavirus. So let us hope that COVID becomes history. With these words, concluding today's CNS Viewpoint, and tomorrow again at 5 p.m. we will be back again with our thoughts and views and perspectives on something that made us think. Tomorrow 5 p.m. India time. Bye bye. Till then, stay safe.